Morning, everybody. It's 8:34 on December the 1st, first day of the new month after the best month of the year in November, including that markup yesterday in the last half hour of trading. Asia is down this morning. Europe is higher. When I came down here an hour ago, the Dow was up 5. The Nasdaq was down 60, and the S&P was down 10. Right now, that Nasdaq has improved a bit down to only about 40. Let's see if I can't get you more up to date numbers here. As far as let's see, the S&P is down about 6.5, so that's a slight improvement. Dow is up about 16. Okay, Disney, Nelson Peltz back for another proxy fight. Um, you know, who knows? It's up 36 cents. Tesla, Cybertruck yesterday, kind of underwhelmed. The stock is down 570 at 234 and change. Dell beat on earnings but missed on revenues and projecting fourth quarter earnings, sales below consensus. And that one is 71.45. That's down $4 and change. Pfizer, um, poor phase two trials for their one of their anti obesity drugs. That one is 29.38, down 109 or 3.6%. That one's pretty much made the complete round trip from COVID. Ulta was a beat. Um, Revenues in line. Fiscal year guides a little lower than consensus, comps up 5 to 5.5%, and the CEO is leaving. Ulta 475, up about 49 or 11%. Elastic, a name you don't hear much about, ESTC 95, up 1464 or 18%, beat by 13, guided above consensus. Um, Humana 485 reaffirms fiscal year uh, adjusted earnings per share. As I said, basically unchanged. And one little one, this is a strange one. Nexamune, Nexi, back in just about a month ago, on November 3rd, they had an announcement that they were winding down their operations. And the stock was down about 25%. That 25% was part of a slide um, that was from about $6 down to $4. They reversed it the next week, and it won for 25, and it went lower to 3.5. Has continued down this week, or actually last week. It made a new all-time low at $1.25. Well, closed yesterday at $2.48, and this morning, with no news whatsoever on it, it's 13.38 on the high. The last is 11.20, up $8.72, 352%. There is no more new news. As I said, the last new news is a month ago. I strongly doubt that winding down the business would give them that kind of return. That's just a firm warning to watch out for that one. Probably coming back in pretty hard. Okay, as far as the futures go, we had for the week this week, we have the grains actually kind of mixed. The corn and the soybeans down towards the lows, but the wheat, which is still down 6, is actually up on the week. The oil is up 12 cents after yesterday's disappointment. Nat gas is down 2 cents. You know, this is really getting boring. Oil goes down, nat gas goes down. Oil goes up, nat gas goes down. So the relationship there is clearly broken. The dollar is pretty close to the high of the week and up about a point off the low. Bitcoin up another 700, just under 39,000, traded 39,650 this morning. And the bonds are up 10/32. You know, usually we have a up first day of the month. Let's see if that holds after the month that we've just had. All right, folks, have a good weekend. I'll be back on Monday.